Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of photography, Leica has consistently stood as a beacon of excellence, blending tradition with innovation. The anticipation surrounding the Leica Q4 has reached a crescendo, with photographers and enthusiasts eagerly awaiting what promises to be a groundbreaking addition to the Leica Q series. A legacy of excellence. The Leica Q series has long been revered for its impeccable craftsmanship, intuitive design, and exceptional image quality. From the original Leica Q to the Q2 and Q3, each iteration has brought forth enhancements that cater to both professional photographers and passionate hobbyists. The Q3, for instance, introduced a 60MP sensor, elevating the standards for compact full-frame cameras. What we know so far. While Leica has yet to officially unveil the Q4, various leaks and discussions within the photography community have shed light on potential features and improvements. According to discussions on Reddit, the Q4 is expected to maintain the 60MP sensor, but with improved high ISO performance, enhancing its capabilities in low-light conditions. Enhanced autofocus and processing power. One of the anticipated upgrades in the Leica Q4 is the enhancement of its autofocus system. While the Q3's autofocus was competent, users have expressed desires for faster and more accurate focusing, especially in dynamic shooting environments. An improved processor is also on the wish list, aiming to handle the increased data from high-resolution images more efficiently. Refined ergonomics and user interface. User feedback has highlighted the importance of ergonomics and interface in the shooting experience. The Q4 is expected to feature a more refined grip and button layout, ensuring comfort during extended shoots. Additionally, a more intuitive menu system and customizable controls could further streamline the user experience. GregJefferson.com. Design and build, upholding Leica's aesthetic. Leica's commitment to minimalist design and robust build quality is anticipated to continue with the Q4. The camera is expected to feature a weather-sealed body, ensuring durability in various shooting conditions. The use of premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship will likely uphold the brand's reputation for producing visually stunning and reliable equipment. Lens and optics, continuing the tradition. The fixed 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens has been a hallmark of the Q series, offering exceptional sharpness and low-light performance. While some users have expressed interest in alternative focal lengths, the 28mm lens is expected to remain, possibly with optical enhancements to further improve image quality. Video capabilities, meeting modern demands. In an era where hybrid shooting is increasingly common, the Q4 is anticipated to offer enhanced video capabilities. Building upon the Q3's 8K video recording, the Q4 may introduce improved frame rates, better heat management, and advanced codecs to cater to videographers seeking high-quality footage in a compact form factor. Connectivity and workflow integration. Modern photographers demand seamless integration between their cameras and digital workflows. The Q4 is expected to feature improved wireless connectivity, allowing for faster image transfer and remote control via smartphones and tablets. Enhanced compatibility with editing software and cloud services could further streamline the post-processing experience. Battery life and storage solutions. Battery performance is a critical aspect of any camera. The Q4 is anticipated to offer extended battery life, accommodating longer shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. Additionally, support for dual card slots or higher capacity storage options could provide photographers with greater flexibility and peace of mind during shoots. Pricing and availability. While official pricing and release dates have yet to be announced, the Leica Q4 is expected to be positioned as a premium offering, reflecting its advanced features and Leica's brand prestige. Potential buyers should anticipate a price point that aligns with the Q3's launch price, with availability likely following shortly after the official announcement. Conclusion: a new benchmark in compact photography. The Leica Q4 stands poised to set a new standard in the realm of compact full-frame cameras. By blending Leica's storied heritage with modern technological advancements, the Q4 is expected to cater to the evolving needs of photographers seeking unparalleled image quality, intuitive design, and reliable performance.